Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Stellar Blade crashing, freezing, not launching, or crashing to desktop on your PC. Let's get right into the solution. First, open Steam. Go to your library and right-click on Stellar Blade. Select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. This will repair any corrupted or missing files. If you're using the Epic Games launcher, do the same steps there. Then, launch Stellar Blade and see if it works. Solution 2. Compatibility Settings. Open Steam, go to your library, and right-click Stellar Blade. Select Browse Local Files. Right-click on sb.exe and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now try launching the game again. Solution 3. Install Visual C++ runtimes. Open the link in the description of this video. Download both the x86 and x64 installers. Double-click the x86 installer. Accept the terms, and press Install. Click Yes when prompted, and wait for it to finish, then press Close. Repeat the steps for the x64 installer. Once both are installed, restart your PC. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and right-click your GPU. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. You can also click Search for updated drivers in Windows Update. Check for updates. Wait for everything to finish, and then restart your PC. Solution 5. Update using NVIDIA app. Open your browser and search for NVIDIA app download. Click on the official link and press Download Now. After downloading, double-click the installer and press Yes. Click Agree and Continue, then go to the Drivers tab. Then download and install the latest driver. Click Check for updates. Select Express Installation and click Continue. Once done, restart your PC. Open the link in the description to download the DirectX installer. Press download and wait for it to complete. Double-click the installer. Press Yes. Then Next. Accept the terms and press Next again. Choose No. Then press Next. Select your install folder. Press Next. And wait for it to finish. Click Finish. Then restart your PC. Solution 7. Repair Windows system files. Go to the link in the description for the Windows 11 installation media. Click Download Now. Double-click the installer. Press Yes, then Accept. Choose your language and edition, then click Next. Select ISO file. Click Next and choose where to save it. Name it Windows 11 and press Save. Once it's downloaded, double-click the ISO file, then Setup. Press Yes, then Next. Choose Keep Personal Files and press Install. Wait for the system to upgrade and repair itself. That's it. One of these solutions should fix your issue with Stellar Blade not launching, crashing, or freezing. If it worked, drop a like and comment below. Thanks for watching.